African Rainbow Minerals is a diversified mining and minerals company previously known as Anglovaal Mining. Its executive chairman and controlling shareholder, Patrice Motsepe, of course, we know has made a good lot of money from his starting African Rainbow Minerals. The group has a price to earnings ratio of 10 and a market cap of 37.8 billion rand. Looking at the various metals part of the whole African Rainbow Minerals business, the biggest contributor towards headline earnings was up by 57% to 1.97 billion rand in this past 6-month period. So break it down for us in terms of why this part of the business is just doing so well.
Well, I mean, I think Citi came out with a very interesting piece of research today. They basically said if you value African Rainbow Minerals as iron ore business on the same kind of metric as Kumba is valued, and you strip out Harmony, they own 14.8% of Harmony. If you strip out that and value the iron ore business the same valuation that Kumba is, you get the rest of the businesses in ARM for free. Well, that's very exciting. Well, why is the business doing well? Well, obviously it's iron ore, but I think there's big upside in the coal business, the nickel business, the platinum business, and the manganese business. So really, I like buying stuff for free. If you were to buy the whole company, you would get 21 billion rands worth of value. That's that rump for free. So it's hugely exciting.
So no, don't just focus on iron ore. Focus on the aggressive growth plans that it has in place. It's got that Konkola North Copper Mine in Zambia. It's also got this coal mine it's building, the Kamati Nickel large-scale expansion project, a host of aggressive expansion projects. What will these mean to ARM?
I'm not as impressed, I'm afraid.
Oh.
Really what they've got is a fantastic iron ore business. They've got second-rate platinum assets, and platinum is an industry that's under a lot of pressure. The nickel Nkomati mine, it's not bad, but by global standards, it wasn't good enough for Anglo to keep invested a decade ago when they were busy jointly developing it. The coal assets are okay. There's a bit of export coal there, a bit of low-grade stuff. The Harmony asset, that in my opinion is one of the least attractive assets in the universe. So you add it all up, and I'm not sure.
It was one of the contributors. In fact, if you look at the earnings, it actually made a positive contribution overall to their earnings. Yeah. But I don't know if that's how long that's going to be going on for with that gold price.
So I mean, it gets pitched as a sort of a mini bulletin type of thing, but you're only as good as your assets are. And for me, anyway, Patrice has got magnificent timing. He's done a number of spectacular trades in his career in order to end up as he is the controlling shareholder of this group. So maybe he's going to do a couple more. But for the moment anyway, I don't think when you put it all together that it makes all that much sense. We don't do this long, the stock, short the underlying components rump business. We look at the stock. So for me anyway, this one's not hot.
It's also stated that they could be potentially looking to buy Amplats' stake, Anglo-American stake in Amplats. But overall, you saying the stock is free right now. It doesn't look free. What price is it? 176 rand. But is that just too attractive for you?
Yeah, you're getting a world-class quality iron ore business. If you can hedge out your exposure to Harmony and to the iron ore business, if you want to, through a short in Kumba, you can get the other businesses practically for free.
So basically, it's a hot stock for you.
We think it's worth 220 rand. We think it will pay you about a 4% dividend yield. That'll give you, from the current price, about a 30% upside from here.
Okay, so you don't do all the shorting and these, going in for the rump business. 176 rand hot or not?
No, I don't think so. Look, it's going to get driven by the returns from Assmang, so it's not going to do badly. And it's not going to do badly, and Assor's not going to do badly, and none of them are going to do badly. But if you want the iron ore specific exposure, then you go in and you buy Kumba, which is preferable. And if you want a diversified miner, there are 3 or 4 of them that are better than this one.